Hello students, welcome to you in this video. Param Guru Pathsala English Medium School, Sarsa. My name is Master Kamini. Today I am taking for standard class 3rd. My subject name is Social Study, that is new textbooks Cordova Learning Series Social Study Standard 3rd. Today I am taking for unit number 2, that is your knowing our earth. Topic covered that introduce hard words and lesson explanation. In previous video we have to start our new textbook, that is your Cordova learning series, and we have to finish chapter 1, and today we have to introduce chapter 2. So dear students, you have to pay attention in this lesson. Let's start. This is your hard words of this chapter. That first one is globe. You know very well that what is the meaning of globe? It's a model of the earth. We have to discuss in the chapter 1 of the previous video. Model, entire means whole, countries, oceans, map, grids, wall maps, atlas, directions. Deepest means सबसे गहराई वाला होता है वो deepest. Compass, signboards, instrument. These hard words I have to introduce in these lessons also, and at that time I will explain also. Now one homework is for you, that you have to write down each spelling 3 times in your notebooks. Okay, so you have to write down like that. You have to make 2 lines in your fullscape notebook or 4 lines notebook, and write down GLOBE globe, in middle one globe, and third one lines you have to write down globe. You have to you are in a standard thought that you have to write in this way, not write down each spelling one by one 3 times and second spelling one by one 3 times. You have to write down like that. Now these hard words I will explain you while I'm explain you the lessons too. Now pay attention here. This is your chapter 2's title, that knowing our earth. If you have textbook, then open your textbook and page number 9. I will explain you by reading the lesson. First one, Neeraj's father gifted him a globe on his birthday. It is a perfect model of the earth, but a globe shows only one part of the earth at a time. So Neeraj has to rotate the globe to see the entire earth. It helps him to spot countries, oceans, and seas. But a globe cannot show all the details. To see details of all the places, huge globes would be required. Such globes would be very expensive. Hence, maps are used to show small details. A map is a drawing of a place on a flat surface. Now, Neeraj wants to know more about maps. Then, so here the explanation of this paragraph, that is the model of the earth, it is called globe. मीन्स अर्थ पूरी हम एक साथ नहीं देख सकते, इसलिए मॉडल बनाया गया है. लेकिन मॉडल को रोटेट करोगे, व्हेन वी हैव टू रोटेट द ग्लोब, व्हेन देन वी हैव टू सी द entire earth, that is means countries, ocean and seas. While we have to rotate, then we have to see, and it help him to spot. उसके ऊपर क्या हुआ ड्रॉ किया होता है, कंट्रीज, ओशियंस एंड सीज. बट ग्लोब कैन नॉट शो ऑल द डिटेल्स. पूरी डिटेल्स हमको एट अ वन टाइम एक साथ देखनी होती हो, दैट विल बी नॉट पॉसिबल इन अ ग्लोब. सो and big globe is very expensive and you can't carry for one place to another place. So a map is a drawing of a place on a flat surface, so it would be required map. Now next paragraph. Here the next day Neeraj greets to his teachers and sees that he is holding something big in her hand. It is like a thick huge of chart paper rolled up. वो क्या था, उसके टीचर्स रोल्ड अप करके चार्ट लेकर आए थे. देन मिस सुनी ओपन्स द सीट टू शो अ मैप. सी सेज दिस इज अ मैप. उन्होंने क्या कहा, ये मैप है. एज यू ऑल वेट द टर्न, इफ यू हैव टेक्स्ट बुक देन टर्न योर पेज, एंड पेज नंबर 10 half sentence is that this is a map. As you all can see, we have a big maps for classroom so that all the children can see at that time. Here in this slide you can see the map also, that a map of continents and oceans on the earth. ये पूरा मैप oceans and कॉन्टिनेंट्स ड्रॉ किया हुआ है, वो आप क्लासरूम में देखो तो एक साथ एट वन टाइम यू कैन सी एट ऑन अ वॉल. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट सी, we have a big maps for a classroom so that all the children can see at that time. These maps are called wall maps. उसको क्या कहते हैं, जो वॉल पे लटकाते हैं उसको वॉल मैप्स कहते हैं. आप क्लासरूम में लेकर जाते हो वो भी वॉल मैप्स होते हैं, बड़े बड़े टीचर्स लेकर आते हैं वो, नॉट अ स्टूडेंट टेकिंग इन द क्लासरूम इज द पीस ऑफ पेपर और A4 साइज की पेपर होते हैं. वी कैन हैंग देम ऑन द वॉल सो दैट एवरीबडी कैन सी देम clearly. Similarly, we also have a book of maps. आपके पास बुक ऑफ मैप्स की बुक्स होती है. यू हैव टू फिल अप इन द इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ द इंफॉर्मेशन इन दैट बुक. दिस बुक इज कॉल्ड एन एटलास. उसको क्या कहते हैं, एटलास. नाउ वन MCQ इज दैट इज क्विक रिविजन. वी कैन हैंग ब्लैंक्स ऑन द वॉल. वॉल पे क्या लटका सकते हो, ग्लोब लटका सकते हो. नो, ग्लोब इज द मॉडल ऑफ द अर्थ एंड यू हैव टू पुट ऑन योर टेबल, on study table or a very proper place. And atlas is a book of map, so you have to carry with in your bag. And wall maps is the maps that you have to hang on the wall. Now in this lesson we have to discuss about globe. Now second part of this lesson is that directions. See, directions. Neeraj, ma'am, how should we see the places on the map? It seems difficult to find a small place just like that. Suppose I want to find a place in India. Miss Soni, it is a simple with the help of directions. There are 4 main directions. They are north, south, east and west. Now look at the map of India. Suppose you want to know where Mumbai is. Mumbai lies in the west. You must then look at the western part of India on the map and you will find Mumbai. So here we have to see the map clearly. But how we have to find out the other places in India? So Miss Soni उसको reply किया, there are 4 main directions, north, south, east and west. So here we have to find out that, look at the map of India. Suppose you want to know where Mumbai is. Mumbai lies in the west. You must then look at the western part of the India on the map and you will find Mumbai. So here the directions pictures also given. So you have to draw in your notebook that directions pictures. First you have to write down homework, that is your hard works, and draw the globe model of the earth, and then second directions. And now we have to discuss on oceans. See, now look at the map of the world. Tell me the color you see the most. What color you have to see in the map? Children said blue. Miss Soni, very intelligent. The blue color shows water. These very large water bodies are called oceans. Smaller water bodies are called seas, rivers and lakes. बहुत बड़ी पानी का, बहुत बड़ी वाटर का जो पार्ट होता है उसको क्या कहते हैं, समुद्र, ओशियंस बोलते हैं ना, सेम वे. एंड स्मॉलर वाटर बॉडीज आर कॉल्ड सीज, रिवर्स एंड lakes. There are 5 oceans. They are Pacific, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean and the Antarctic Ocean. Okay, the Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest water body on the earth. सबसे गहराई वाला कौन सा ocean है? The Pacific Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean in the world. Now here 2 MCQ is given, so pay attention here. The blanks on the map of the world shows water. Which color shows the water? Answer B, blue color. Second number, the blank is the smallest ocean in the world. अभी मैंने explanation दिया है बेटा. Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean in the world. So here oceans departments means this in this lesson the explanation of the oceans is over. Now we have to come to our next point, that is continents. See, continents means Miss Sony. Now look at the different color areas. These are the land masses. Blue color shows is water and different color shows on the maps are called different colors. So these are land masses. Large land masses are called continents. वो क्या होता है, बहुत बड़े जत्थे में होता है, तो लार्ज लैंड मासेस आर कॉल्ड कॉन्टिनेंट्स. नीरज, मैम, my father told me that we live in the continent of Asia. Are there many more continents? उसके फादर ने क्या बोला, नीरज के फादर ने, that we live in the continents of Asia. Are there many more continents, Miss Sony? Yes, there are 7 continents. There are 7 continents. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia and Antarctica. So Australia is the smallest continent and Asia is the largest. सबसे छोटा कौन सा है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, एंड सबसे लार्जेस्ट मीन्स बड़ा वाला एशिया. Continents are further they divided into smaller part is called country. Continents are further divided into smaller parts are called countries. Our country India is part of Asia. Find out from your parents about your relatives and friends living in other countries. Continent, sorry. आपके ये एक वन काइंड ऑफ एक्टिविटी है. आपके घर में कोई फैमिली मेम्बर्स अदर कंट्री में रहता हो, देन यू हैव टू आस्क योर पेरेंट्स एंड गिव गॉट some more information about them. Now we have to come to our most important and next point, that is your compass. Not is your compass box or pencil box, it is the compass, the instrument or instrument of the find out the direction, used to find directions. Neeraj, how can we find directions? हमको मालूम तो है there is 4 kinds of direction, that east, west, south and so Miss Sony, a compass is used to find directions. It looks like a watch. वो कैसा लगता है, looks like a watch. The needle of the compass always points toward the north. उसकी needles कहाँ रहती है, always points toward the north. When you have to hang or here and there, it's find out that its needle always points towards the north. Sailor use compass to find their way in the huge and deep oceans. बहुत दूर जाते हैं समुद्र में तो उनको कोई directions नहीं दिखाई दे रही है, then और नो साइन बोर्ड फॉर देयर डिरेक्शन, कि वहाँ कोई साइन बोर्ड नहीं लगा होता है कि इस तरफ जाओ उस तरफ, समुद्र में कैसे लगा होता है. देन द सेलर यूज अ कंपास टू फाइंड देयर वे इन द ह्यूज एंड डीप ओशंस. देयर आर नो साइन बोर्ड फॉर direction. They sail all around the world with the help of the compass. Compass, the sailor use that they sail all around the world with the help of the compass. If they get lost in the oceans, they look for the north with the compass and then they understand the other directions and their correct position. Suppose sailors lost, उनका वो वे खो जाता है, then what they look for the north with the compass and then they understand the other directions and their correct positions. Okay dear student, now you have to one more homework, that you have to draw compass picture if given in this mobile's video also, and if you have textbook then textbook page number 11. You have today's homework, that this is the homework time. Your explanation of this chapter is over, and today's homework, that hard words you have to write down 3 times. Page number 9, the picture of globe is a model of the earth given on this page and you have to draw in your notebook. And then the directions pictures on the page number 10 also you have to draw, and page number 11 the compass pictures is also given to you and you have to draw in your notebook. And 1 or 3 MCQ is given on this page, and I have to also given in this video. You have to must write down in your notebook. Very well. We have to come to soon with our next video, that is your chapters newer points to remember and chapters exercise. Okay, dear students, all the best. And here's one sort of point to remember, that is directions is equal to 4, north, south, east and west. It is the sum up of the lesson. Sum up of the lesson, that direction, that is 4, north, south, east and west. Oceans 5, Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Arctic and Antarctic. Continents 7, you have to don't mix up the oceans and continents with the each other. 5 and 7 misplaced, because your answer will be wrong there. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia and Antarctica. This one also you have to write down in your notebook also. You have to draw this biography and also you have to write down this way.